Stop. Grok Bot just launched. Not another chat window. An always-on teammate with its own computer in the cloud. Really listen. This is how to use brand new Grok Bot for YouTube channel automation. A circumflex euros research, scripts, packaging, and ops. A circumflex euros without you babysitting every click. 4 steps. Soft demo where we'd invent a screen. No fake earnings. 1. What Grok Bot actually is. 2. Build a 4-bot channel team. 3. Teach one routine once. 4. Keep an approval gate this week. Stay with me. Most creators still treat AI like a blank prompt box. Type. Copy. Paste. Lose the thread when the laptop sleeps. That is the old pattern. Grok Bot is different. A circumflex euros per space XAI on August 11th, 2026. It has its own cloud computer. It can sign into the tools you already use. A circumflex euros apps, inboxes, websites. A circumflex euros including places with no clean API. It keeps working when you close the laptop. It comes back when something needs your approval. Message it like a colleague from phone or desktop. Same thread. Either surface. Here is the channel move. Do not run one overloaded bot that does everything badly. Run a small team. Research bot. A circumflex euros overnight niche angles, competitor titles, comment themes. Leaves a shortlist for you to approve. Writer bot. A circumflex euros drafts the next script in your channel voice after you teach one example. Packaging bot. A circumflex euros title options, thumb brief, description draft that matches the promise. Ops bot. A circumflex euros upload checklist, schedule reminder, inbox triage for collabs and replies. Put a chief of staff bot on top. It assigns lanes. Bots can message each other. You only get pulled for judgment calls. That mirrors how SpaceX AI teams run sales, marketing, and ops bots in parallel. Midpoint trap. If you only chat once and never teach a routine, you still own the busy work. Open Grok Bot. Create packaging bot. Next time you write a title and thumb brief by hand, ask it to follow along. Correct the tone once. A circumflex euros shorter title, 3 thumb elements max. Promise in the first line of the description. Save that as a routine. Next upload, hand off the finished cut path and the script file. It drafts packaging. You approve or rewrite one line. Chip. Same pattern for research overnight or a writer bot that mirrors your pacing markers. Access reality. A circumflex euros soft, no hype. Early beta. Desktop and iOS. Tied to Super Grok Heavy, Cursor Ultra, or Cursor Teams Premium. Enterprise is waitlist. If you are not on those tiers yet, still steal the team design, research, writer, packaging, ops, plus a human approval gate. This week checklist. 1. Spin research bot with a narrow brief. A circumflex euros your niche. Last 7 days, 5 angles max. 2. Teach packaging bot 1 real title plus thumb brief from a video you already shipped. 3. Write hard rules. No inventing studio metrics. No guaranteed RPM, demo label on mock screens. 4. You stay the publisher. Bot drafts. You click upload after the package matches the first 10 seconds. That is the automation that does not get you demonetized for nonsense claims. Close. Grok Bot is not magic growth. It is a cloud teammate that can finish work in real tools. A circumflex euros if you give it lanes, one taught routine, and an approval gate. Subscribe for the next module in the AI agency system. Disclose. This voiceover is synthetic TTS. Not affiliated with SpaceX AI. Not financial advice.